time bomb. So, what you're gonna need is in my inventory right now. So you can pause the video and see what you want. So how it works is you click whatever button you want. So like 5 minutes or 1 minute, and this light will flash when it's armed. So that's when there's about no turning back and the thing will explode. And yeah, so this is the back. And while I build it, I'm gonna prime it for 5 minutes. And then you guys can see, but okay, now it's primed. So you can see that the TNT is pushed over, but when it runs out, that TNT will light. So I'll build it over here, and then suddenly you will see that the thing blows up. So to get started, first you place in this white wool with a redstone torch on the back of it and a oak pressure plate on the top. Then you send a redstone signal all the way around, I think to here, into a piston. And this is gonna have TNT on it, but we're not gonna put it there yet, because then if you step on this, you can't stand up without it blowing up. So the TNT is like the last thing you do. But so right now, you're gonna wanna start building the front of it. So this is where the front is gonna go. So this is like your face, and here you want to put a dropper, like this, and then a dispenser like this, like facing down. In the dispenser, you want to put an arrow. I forgot this, by the way. So you want to put an arrow, and you want to have a junk item and an arrow. So let's just stone, I guess. So then you put the arrow in the dispenser and the junk item in the dropper, and you put a piece of redstone dust on top of the dropper, and you want to click it once, and then you put another piece of wool right there, and then now is when you put in your 2 buttons. So this is now this is optional, but you can take a redstone lamp, run a redstone signal off of this, and then put the redstone lamp there, and that will tell you when it's primed. Then you put 2 blocks like this. And I don't think this will work in Bedrock Edition, so it's worth a shot, but because I don't think items despawn the same time, but this is kind of what that relies on. So in this one, you put in 1 minute, and this one you put in 5 minutes. And so how this will, I think we're done. Oh, except we have to cage in the things so it doesn't spit the item everywhere. So I think that's all you need to do. But I'm just gonna cover this up just for safety. And you can see it. This one is taking a little while, but you can see it's still there. It might go off in a little bit. Slightly worried it's gonna blow this up, but now it is all ready. And how it works is that an arrow despawns after 1 minute, so that it'll shoot an arrow into the pressure plate and make it and make it power the redstone torch, inverting it, and then at the same time it'll push the piston. And it's actually really funny mechanics, because then the TNT will not go off, but when it's pushed forward, but when it pulls back, the piston will pull back after the redstone torch reignites, and it'll light the TNT. So yeah, this should go off in a minute. But that's basically how you do it. I'm just gonna wait here until that one goes off, but so there's really not much of a practical use for this. Like, I guess you could, like, if you were having like a war with your friends somehow, and you could set this up just to mock them, but like, oh, there it went, you see? Boom. So yeah. And that is how you do it. And if you see, I pressed 1 minute this time. I think that worked. Come on. It was a good fix if it didn't, but... Oh, no, it didn't. That's funny. Huh. Hold on. It's probably a super easy fix that I'm just missing, but... Oh, darn it. So I think the problem was that you want to put the dropper 1 block up and the dispenser, so I did this. You'll notice I did this. With the dropper and the dispenser. You want to do this. Put the dropper here. And then the dispenser here. So, yeah. Not like that, like this. So, yep. A time bomb, a working time bomb that will go off in the exact amount of time, and that, you can actually time that and make sure, but it's true. So, yeah. I will see you next time. Bye.